So I made this much within 2 months with a Facebook group, and my Facebook group is not even up to 5,000 members. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to earn 1 million naira in 2 months with a Facebook group. Now, in case you didn't know, there's so much money in Facebook group. I know about 3 people whose Facebook group generate at least 1 million naira for them every single month. In this video, I'm going to show you my 7 secret steps to growing a profitable Facebook group that will generate between 100 to 300,000 naira for you every single month. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a number of Facebook groups where you can get your first 100 to 1,000 group members, people who will move from those groups to join your own. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if you're looking for videos on how to make money from the comfort of your home, you are onto the right channel, you are watching the right video. And in today's video, I got something amazing for you. I'll be sharing with you how I made 1 million naira from my Facebook group that is not even up to 5,000 members. So for some time, I've been following a number of Facebook groups that I really love what they do, and I got to understand how much they earn from their group. So on 24th of December 2022, I decided to launch a new Facebook group where I will have a unique set of people in the group. I sat down to plan this group, the kind of people I want to be in the group, the service I will offer them, where to drive the traffic, that is where to get group members from to join my own group. So there are about 3 Facebook groups I admire so much. I love everything about these Facebook groups and what they do. So I follow the admin closely. I got to understand how much they make from their groups on a daily basis. Now, in case you didn't know, there's a lot of money in Facebook groups. Some of these group admins are making at least 1 million naira every single month from those groups. I studied the admins as well as the group, what they do, how they do it, and even why they do it. After seeing what they do and how profitable it is, I decided to create my own and draw my own audience from those groups. One of the secrets to growing a profitable Facebook group is your audience. You don't get random people to join your group and you expect to make a lot of money. So the quality of your audience has a lot to do with how much you generate at the end of the month. Now, how do you determine the quality? Where they are coming from. So to make sure I get the kind of audience I want in my own group, I had to run adverts in those groups. 2 of these groups charge $100 to place adverts. Like I said, the first group is predominantly white and the second group is owned by Nigerians, so it has a lot of black people, but the group members are quality leads. And her advert is $99, so I pay $99, which is approximately 74,000 naira as at the time of payment. So from 29th of December, I started driving traffic to my group, and by 31st of December, I was ready to do my first training. I had about 1,900 people in the group that period, and I went on to introduce a paid program. And out of 1,900 members in the group, about 59 people signed up for this class, and I was able to generate 6 figures, multiple 6 figures from this training. So between January 1st till today, we've had about 4 different paid programs, and each of them has a minimum of 49 members in the group. And that's how I was able to generate 1 million naira from this Facebook group that is less than 5,000 members. Now the question in your mind is, what are you offering them? How are you able to make this amount of money? I will tell you. I offer 2 training programs per month. So within these 2 months, I've been able to hold 4 different trainings, and I've had at least 49 people sign up for each of the program. So that's how I was able to generate 1 million naira from this Facebook group. Now, I know you love this kind of result and you would like to know how to do it. You would like to get the step-by-step how to create a profitable Facebook group that will earn you between 100 to 300,000 naira every month for a start. So I'm going to share with you my 7-step process of creating a profitable Facebook group. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Step 1 is to determine the offer you are going to make to your group members. Don't get it twisted. If you're going to make money from Facebook groups, you have to offer something. It could be a skill, it could be a trade. There's something you know how to do that a lot of people need that knowledge or service. That's actually one way to make money on Facebook. So you must have something to offer your group members, something they would have to pay for. In my case, it's YouTube and TikTok coaching program. So I teach people in my group how to grow a profitable YouTube channel as well as profitable TikTok account. Now, if you don't have the skill yet, it's not late. You can take a month or two to learn a profitable skill or trade that a lot of people are interested in. You can offer as a service or even a product you can offer your group members before you think of creating one. Anything you can coach people on that is very profitable and in high demand will sell through Facebook group. Step 2, go on and create the Facebook group. Name it appropriately and also use beautiful banners. These are some of the things that make the group very outstanding and very appealing to your audience too. Step 3, find out where your audience are gathered. Are they in other Facebook groups? Is it on WhatsApp, Telegram? Wherever they are gathered, you would have to go there and pitch your tent. Yes, you need to be in the faces of your target audience to be able to drive traffic to your Facebook group. Step 4 is to draft what you're going to offer them. If you'd like to use a freebie to attract them to your group, you would have to prepare it ahead of time because it's this gift that will get them to join your group. It could be an ebook, a strategy session from you, a recorded video training, or any other thing that appeals to your audience. Step 5 is to use a paid promotion. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. You can create a Facebook group today and have thousands of people join the group. If this group of people is not high quality leads, it's a waste of time. Now, as you can see from my experience, it's not about how many thousands that join your group that matters, but the quality of your lead. It doesn't make sense having 10,000 people in your group and you cannot sell 10 units of your offer to them. So to me, it is better to invest and be able to get quality leads. Remember, these people are in your group, so you can always sell to them over and again. Let me share this with you. Before this recent group, I've had 2 other groups where random people joined the group. I had about 10,000 members, but there was no conversion. A situation where you make an offer to them and nobody is responding to that. I equally know a Facebook group that has 1.5 million members whose admin cannot sell a pin to them, and that's because this group was built on freebies. They come there, they all gathered there to get free things, and they never believed in paying a dime or buying anything from such groups. So you see, they have a lot of members, but it's not converting. In my opinion, if you're looking at building a highly profitable Facebook group, you would have to invest in driving quality leads from those groups that already have quality leads. So in a nutshell, paid promotion gets you quality leads, people that are open to buying from you, and freebie gets you a lot of people, hundreds and thousands of members, but they are not the kind of leads that convert to sales. Step 6 is to start creating quality content on a daily basis for your audience. If you're going to make multiple 6 figures from your Facebook group, you've got to create content on a daily basis. This quality content is actually what you use to nurture them and prepare them for your paid program. So you have to create time to make content that appeals to them, the kind of content that they love to read, and then you use it to prepare them ahead of your paid promotions. In a situation where you are not able to create quality content consistently, you may have to open up for members of the group to create content and share in the group. And the 7th step is to carefully draft your paid offer. What exactly are you going to offer them? What are you selling to them? It could be a one-on-one coaching, it could be a group challenge, it could be a membership program. You can also open your group for others to advertise. That's yet another way of making money apart from selling something to your audience. When you've grown this community to a reasonable number of people and people want to advertise in your group, you can also open it up for people to pay you for advert space in your Facebook group. Finally, if you'd like to know those Facebook groups where you can generate quality leads to grow your own profitable Facebook group, then you have to send me a message on Instagram. Here's my Instagram account, and I will respond with links to those Facebook groups so you too can join them and be able to drive quality leads for your own Facebook group. I do hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video. Bye.